Today we are making spicy wings and Parmesan wings, along with French fries, carrots, and celery. Let's go step by step how you can make dinner like that. You start with celery, prepare them, salad pieces. Ice and water in it before you start it to make them crunchy. We're gonna use high heat oil with peanuts. So we're gonna deep fry some of the wings. I got like one portion. Put your wings, make sure they're dry. Don't put more than like 12 pieces. Turn it on, close it, and watch the timer. 12 minutes. We're gonna make some fries. 12 minutes. We are gonna do two different sauces. One is spicy and one is Parmesan. For spicy sauce, we need sriracha, butter, and honey. For Parmesan sauce, you're gonna need Parmesan, you're gonna need garlic powder, and also butter. So let's put like half stick of butter. Just heat this up. You don't have to boil it or anything like that. As long as butter is melted and it's hot, you can turn this off and put it aside. Get it ready for your wings. When wings are cooking, you don't want to like check to make sure they don't stick together and kind of separate them. We have about 2 minutes to go, so let's close it and get them done. So wings are done. We're gonna pull them out like this, and we're gonna put this in here. So our second batch of wings is for Parmesan. We are gonna cook French fries. So about 12 minutes still. For Parmesan, put 1 stick of butter, melt it, put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and mix it. Turn it off. So now pour your butter. Make sure everything is covered. And then sprinkle with Parmesan. And mix it. More. All right. So, how you want to do it, just throw them in here, and then make sure you have a good dip in the sauce. And then you pull them out. Fries has been there for 12 minutes. Let's see how it is. Looks good. Let's drain a little bit. Looks amazing. All right, let's pour it in here. Not too much. I don't like when it's too salty. All right, fries is done. Parmesan, spicy, and French fries, and our veggies. So let's set up the plate. All right, let's try how it turned out. If you like flats, this is how you do that. Over there. You can use ranch with it if you like. These are perfect. For me, I like it more spicy, but that's for general person. Let's try Parmesan. Friends, these are perfect wings.